How to fix Tower of Fantasy crashing. 1. Restart the game, exit then rerun the app on your device. 2. Reboot your system. 3. And or exit unused background processes. 4. PC players, update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Allow TOF in your antivirus. Like this. Plan B, disable your antivirus. App 6. Repair game files. 7. Uninstall then reinstall TOF. 8. PC, putting graphics on low end, turning off anti-aliasing in display section. 9. Check Tower of Fantasy server status. 10. Check then improve your internet connection. 11. Update your Windows and Tower of Fantasy. 12. Ensure you've met Tower of Fantasy minimum system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 13. Disabling third-party programs and overlay-related apps. Hint, for Windows users, you may clean boot your system. 14. PC users, set the game priority to high via Task Manager. And enable disable full screen optimization and override high DPI scaling behavior for application. Like this.